guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is another haul, this time from Target. I got a bunch of Halloween decor from Target, mainly for the purposes of the Halloween party that I'm throwing for my acting studio, and I am so excited because I got some really cute stuff. I was really happy because I did not enjoy the Target collection last year. I don't know what it was. I just didn't really find anything that I liked. To be honest, I think I went too late in the season and maybe all the good stuff had been picked over. Because I don't think I went until like maybe late September, early October last year. But my friend Kat, hi Kat, Katrina, I know you're watching this video. I went, she told me they had really good stuff. I also watched Jade the Libra's haul and she got a bunch of really good stuff. There was a couple things that she got that I did not find that I really liked, so might keep my eye out for those items, especially some candelabras that I really wanted. But yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this haul before I ramble on because I got quite a few things. The first thing I got was I actually got 2 plates from this little collection that was so cute. And they are kind of like little appetizer plates, but they're full ceramic, and this one has a little pumpkin on it and it's so cute. And then I also got one that had a black cat on it, and the main reason I actually got this was to be coasters, which I know this seems like a really big coaster. I mean, it's the size of my head, but I have a lot of really big mugs that normal coasters don't really hold very well. This is not a good example because the bottom is actually quite small, but for my really big mugs, I figured this would be good. So I'm going to put it here on my little side table and then put one in the living room so that I have a big old Halloween cute coaster for the giant mugs that my giant coffees and giant hot chocolates go in. Next up, I got a pair of mugs, and like I need more mugs, but first of all, my friend Ella was like, Holly, you need these, and second of all, I really like them because they're super short, and so I think they would make great decorations for my tiered tray in my Nightmare Before Christmas kitchen. They're little matching Jack and Sally mugs. They kind of remind me of like Funko Pops with like the big eyes and everything, but they're just like really short, and so I figured these would look really cute on my tiered tray, like I said, and obviously I can drink out of them as well. But the Jack one says Master of Fright, which is really cute, and then Sally's says I'll be your nightmare. So together I just thought they would be really cute, and I'm excited about them because they are really cute. Okay, moving on. Next, I got this cheese board wood tray guy, and on one side it says RIP. Sorry, my background is black, so I know it's kind of hard to see black things on it, so I'm sorry about that. But I got this little cheese board. I don't really love the RIP, but the good thing is that it's not on the back, so I'm probably just going to use the back as a little cheese board, and I figured this would be fun for my Halloween party. I can display stuff on it, like I said, and it'll be really, really cute. So now I have like 2 separate little coffin trays, but they're different sizes and styles, so I'm good with that, and I think that one is really cute. Next up, I got this big black skull. I thought this would be really cool either to hold a candle because the eyes and the nose are like, you know, like cut out. So the flickering candle would be cool in it. I wonder if it's supposed to be, yeah, it's supposed to be a candle holder. Oh, by the way, sorry, I forgot prices. This was $15. Everything is still a little pricey, to be honest. These were, I'm not sure how much, but these little ceramic plates were actually only $3. And looking at that, I'm like, maybe I should have gotten just 4 and just gotten the entire collection, but that's okay. So anyways, this was $20. It is full ceramic, which is cool, but I also thought, to be honest, you could put a very small layer of liquid in here and then put dry ice and have the dry ice like foaming out of his like eyes and nose and head. I feel like you could also make this like a planter if you want to put a little pot inside. Like I just feel like this has a lot of uses, and it also can just be a cool display item, just like go on my shelf or something. So I figured this was pretty versatile, and yeah, I think it will be really cool. I can also use it to hold napkins or something at the party. So I feel like I said, this is multifunctional and I really like it. So I bought it and it was $20. I got some fog juice because I'm going to be borrowing a friend's fog machine for the party, but I wanted to supply my own juice. So I got some fog juice and this was $7. Hopefully that lasts the whole party. I don't know how much fog juice you need for a few hours, but hopefully that's enough. Maybe it says on the back. I don't know. Doesn't say. Okay. Moving on. This was $15 and this is a candy bowl, but it looks like a skull. But I figured we could put chips in it for the party with like some little dip next to it or something. And again, I just thought this would be really useful to hold stuff because it's hollowed out at the top. Whoa. So yeah, a little skull guy. And this one's plastic. So not as high as a quality. So it was a little bit cheaper. Still kind of expensive. $15 for this is kind of a lot, but I need stuff for the Halloween party, so I'm justifying it. Don't come for me. If anything, I'm getting content, so maybe if I'm able to get to 1,000 subscribers during spooky season, all of this will be justified. So make sure you subscribe, people, because I can monetize after 1,000 subscribers and 5,000 watch hours in 1 year. So do it. Okay, my battery's running low. Okay, we got to get through this. Oh my Lord. Panic. Okay. Next up, I found this in the dollar section. I did see this on Jade the Libra's haul, and I thought it was so cute, and I wanted it. This was $5, and it's this cool little tray. It is black, and it has little snakes as the handles. I thought that was really cute and fun, so I got it. You can display all types of fun stuff on that. Next up, I got this little spider Halloween display. I figured I could display it on one of the walls outside on my patio, and I figured that would be really fun. And it says it moves and stuff, and I think this was $25. Yeah, so hopefully it looks really cool because it was $25. Okay, next up, I got 2 of these balloon arch kits, which I thought were really fun. So they are 2 matching ones, and these were $10 each. But you blow up the balloons and they're black and white, but then they've got like spiders and bats and spider webs and silver balloons, and I just thought that would be really cool. So I think how I'm going to use these is I'm going to make a balloon arch to go around the entryway into my house. I figured that would be a really cool way to display those. I also got an orange table cover to go over my desk in here. I'm going to be moving out like all of my office supplies and making this like a dessert table or something. So I got an orange tablecloth to go over that. And then on top of the orange tablecloth, we got this really cool kind of see-through spider web tablecloth to layer on top of the orange. So I figured that would be really cool. And this was $10 and the table cover was $3. Hey guys, sorry if I look more disheveled. It's like 3 hours later. I went to go charge my battery because it died, and then I fell asleep, and here we are. So continuing on with this haul, I think I was telling you guys about layering the $3 orange cloth with the black spider webby orange cloth on my table for desserts. That is what I'm doing. Next item. So I got these little packs. These were $3 each of balloons, and I figured we could just put these in little bunches elsewhere or tie them into our balloon arch. So 2 packs are these little like skeleton, or they ghosts? I think they're ghosts. I mean skeletons. These little white ones with skeleton faces, and then this orange pack, whoop, that is little jack-o'-lantern faces. So I figured these would look kind of cute to add a pop of orange either into the balloon arch or to put elsewhere. Can you tell I just got up from a nap? All right. A few more items. I'm looking around. There is one in the kitchen that I need to grab. Oh, so I got some little graveyard strobe lights. They do say RIP on them. Honestly, wherever I put them, you're not going to be able to tell, but they are strobe lights. So I got 4 of these and I figured I could place them kind of either, you know, in the kitchen, so it's like flashing, or on the patio or something like that. But I figured that would be kind of cool and fun. Next up, I got something that broke, which I can fix it. It should be very easy to fix. Brendan can, I'm sure, do it for me, and it also came with some extra screws. But anyways, it is this giant tray that is a Ouija board. So this, obviously it comes with a handle. The handle on this side broke off when I was putting it in the car. But like I said, I think Brendan can very easily fix this for me. And I thought it was really cute. This was $20, and I honestly thought it would just be really cute on my living room coffee table, because I have a pretty big coffee table anyways. So this will be decor, but will also be used for serving stuff at the party. So thought that was super cute and fun. Okay, last item? Really? Is that it? I guess that's it. Okay, last item. Let me grab it. 1 second. Okay, last item is I really wanted something to serve punch or some sort of fun beverage out of. And Ella and I found this amazing glass cauldron. It comes on this little black stand. It has a little turning knob or whatever. It's got the little rings on the side like a cauldron, a cute little lid, and it is glass, not plastic, which I really like because it just, I think, makes it, you know, fancier. But it also lights up green from the inside. Obviously it looks really puny right now, but it gives you kind of like a picture where it will light your drink up whatever color. So I think this will be really cute. I think I'll probably put some sort of lemonade mixture in here and then light it up green, and I think that will be really cool. So this was $35, so pretty expensive, but again, I do think it's really cute and I am excited to use it. And that was something I've been looking for a while, was something to put my drinks in. And I wasn't even looking for something spooky for that. I just wanted any kind of drink dispenser. But the fact that I was able to find one that fits the theme is amazing. So I'm really excited about that. All right, that is everything, you guys. I'm so tired today and I really need to be productive. So I'm gonna log off here and go make some ears for you guys. Not you guys specifically, but Etsy folks, guys. But I am gonna do another Etsy tutorial. Not Etsy tutorial. Oh my god, I can't talk. This is how you know I'm tired. I am gonna do another ear making tutorial with Halloween ears, as well as a video about all the Halloween ears you can find on my shop this season. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and hit that big red subscribe button down below to come hang out with me more on the channel. Let me know, did you get anything cute from Target this year? Halloween or otherwise? Halloween wise. Yeah, okay. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye!